In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly on WordPress. Schedule appointments through your website 5 minutes. By the end, your visitors will be able to book time with you directly on your site without any back and forth emails. Start by heading to calendly.com and logging into your account. If this is your first time, make sure you already have at least one event type set up, like a 15-minute meeting or a consultation. That event is what you'll embed on your website. Once you're on your Calendly home screen, find the event you want to share and click the share button. In the sharing options, choose Add to Website. You'll see a few embed styles, but for a clean, on-page experience, select Inline Embed. This places your scheduler directly within a page so visitors can see available times without pop-ups. Click Continue to generate your embed code, then click Copy Code. This copies a small snippet of HTML and JavaScript that loads your Calendly scheduling widget. Now switch over to your WordPress dashboard. You can add Calendly to an existing page, but creating a dedicated booking page keeps things simple and easy to link. Go to Pages and select Add New. Give your page a clear title like Book an Appointment so visitors know exactly what it's for. In the page editor, click the plus icon to add a block, then choose the custom HTML block. This is important because you're pasting code, not regular text. Paste the Calendly code you copied a moment ago into that HTML block. If you're using a different editor or theme, look for any option labeled HTML code or custom code. The goal is the same: paste that embed snippet exactly as provided. Before publishing, click Preview to make sure the scheduler loads correctly and looks good within your theme. If it appears narrow, consider using a full-width page template or placing the HTML block in a wider section. When everything looks right, click Publish to make the page live. A couple of quick tips: if you prefer a pop-up experience instead of on-page, Calendly offers pop-up options in the same Add to Website section. Also, any changes you make later in Calendly, like availability or event details, will reflect automatically on your embedded page. No need to update the code again. That's it. You've embedded Calendly on WordPress, and your site is ready to accept appointments. Share the link to your new page in your menu, emails, and social profiles so people can book with you instantly.